This iPad mailed in all the way from Florida. She stated that they send it to Apple, but they cannot fix it because they don't provide the Apple parts for this iPad. So iPad is not charging and screen is cracked. We are going to see if we can fix this and save her data. Let's go! Surgery time. This looks like water damage. You see those white stuff on here? So we're gonna clean that and we're gonna put the new port and fix this bend. That looks better. Your iPad is ready, miss. Now it's good to go. I charged it all the way 100. I'm gonna charge it again. Now it's charging and you are good to go. Can I get a wow? Apple said this is not fixable. That's how we do it. Now they can back up everything. Even they can still use it.